Crash Course, Indiana, USA. Geo Location. Indiana is a state located in the Midwestern and Great Lakes regions of the United States. It is bordered by Michigan to the north, Ohio to the east, Kentucky to the south, and Illinois to the west. With a total area of approximately 94,321 square kilometers, 36,418 square miles, Indiana is the 38th largest state in the country. Capital and population. Indianapolis is the capital and largest city of Indiana. As of the latest estimates, the population of Indiana is around 6.7 million people. The state has a diverse population, with a mix of urban, suburban, and rural areas. Economy. Indiana has a strong and diverse economy, with major sectors including manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, and technology. The state is known as the Crossroads of America due to its central location and excellent transportation infrastructure. Indiana is a leading producer of automobiles, pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and agricultural products. Education. Indiana has a well-established education system, with a range of public and private schools at all levels. The state is home to several esteemed universities, including Indiana University, Purdue University, and the University of Notre Dame. These institutions contribute to Indiana's reputation as a center for research and academic excellence. Brief history. Indiana has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Native American tribes, including the Miami and Potawatomi, were the original inhabitants of the region. European exploration began in the 17th century, with French and British settlements established. Indiana became a territory of the United States in 1800 and achieved statehood in 1816. The state played a significant role in the westward expansion and the development of the United States, particularly during the era of the Indiana Canal and the Underground Railroad. Culture. Indiana has a vibrant and diverse culture, shaped by its historical influences and modern developments. The state is known for its passion for sports, particularly basketball, with the Indiana High School basketball tournament being a beloved event. Indiana is also home to the Indianapolis 500, one of the most prestigious car races in the world. The state's rich musical heritage includes the Jackson 5 and the Indianapolis Symphony Orchestra. Politics. Indiana has a diverse political landscape, with a mix of conservative and liberal viewpoints. The state has a history of active civic participation and has produced notable political figures, including Vice President Mike Pence. Indianapolis, as the capital and largest city, plays a significant role in shaping statewide politics. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions in Indiana State. 1. Indianapolis Motor Speedway, known as the racing capital of the world. The Indianapolis Motor Speedway is home to the iconic Indianapolis 500 race. Visitors can tour the track and museum, immersing themselves in the world of motorsports. 2. Indiana Dunes National Park, located along the southern shore of Lake Michigan, the Indiana Dunes National Park offers stunning sand dunes, beaches, and diverse ecosystems. It is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. 3. The Children's Museum of Indianapolis, as the largest children's museum in the world, this interactive museum offers educational exhibits, hands-on activities, and immersive experiences for children of all ages. 4. Brown County State Park, nestled in the picturesque hills of southern Indiana, Brown County State Park is a nature lover's paradise, with scenic trails, beautiful foliage, and opportunities for camping, hiking, and horseback riding. 5. Indiana State Museum, situated in downtown Indianapolis, the Indiana State Museum showcases the state's natural and cultural history through interactive exhibits, artifacts, and immersive displays. 6. Itliorg Museum of American Indians and Western Art, this museum celebrates the art, culture, and history of Native Americans and the American West, featuring a diverse collection of paintings, sculptures, and artifacts. 7. The Indianapolis Zoo, Home to a wide array of animals from around the world, the Indianapolis Zoo offers a captivating experience for visitors of all ages. From lions and elephants to dolphins and penguins, it's a perfect family outing. 8. Holiday World and Splashin' Safari, located in Santa Claus, Indiana, this amusement park offers thrilling rides, water slides, and entertainment for the whole family. It's a summer destination that guarantees fun and excitement. 9. Conner Prairie, this interactive history park in Fishers allows visitors to step back in time and experience life in the 19th century. With historic buildings, reenactments, and hands-on activities, it provides an immersive learning experience. 10. Indiana University Bloomington, known for its beautiful campus and top-notch academic programs, Indiana University Bloomington is a renowned institution of higher education. Visitors can explore the campus, visit museums, and attend cultural events. 11. Fort Wayne Children's Zoo, a highlight for families, the Fort Wayne Children's Zoo offers an up-close encounter with various animals. From lions and giraffes to kangaroos and sea lions, it's a memorable experience for animal enthusiasts. 12. Indiana Medical History Museum, housed in the old pathological department of the Central State Hospital, this unique museum explores the history of medicine, mental health, and scientific advancements through exhibits and preserved medical artifacts. In summary, Indiana offers a mix of historical, cultural, and natural attractions that cater to a wide range of interests. From the bustling city life of Indianapolis to the tranquil beauty of state parks and museums, there is something for everyone to enjoy in the Hoosier State. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.